I just cleaned it. And food? Okay. Hungry boy. I'll feed you first. Shrimp. I normally freeze these and then use it for like a pasta sauce. You don't care? Ooh. And shrimp. Hey Bookie, you see how this one's longer? That's how you make shrimp tempura. Should also cut the joints here as well with the knife so they doesn't become like curly and shrink. It's almost done, honey.
I'm so hungry.
Me too.
Is it done?
It's done.
Oh my god. I'm now ready.
Hiroki. Spicy tuna mayo roll. Wait, what's it called? Spicy crunchy
no.
roll?
Crunchy
spicy tuna roll? Something like that.
Do you think Pokey's not freaking out because
He's just
it's
sleepy.
mixed with spicy stuff so he can't smell the tuna clearly?
He was happy earlier, excited.
Well, June, those are gigantic. I don't think I can fit one in my mouth.
It's okay, I can eat those giant ones. I don't have amadare, but I have sweet soy sauce, so just dip in the soy sauce and then eat it, please.
Okay.
There you go. Ta-da. Totally forgot to buy amadare. There we go.
どうしよう.
Oh, you want a plate?
No, it's too big for my mouth.
A small plate?
I don't think so. Okay. What do I do? It's too big.
Dip it in the...
But I can't fit it in my mouth. Thank you. You don't have to do all of them. But thanks. いただきます。
どうぞ. This is like 6.5 out of 10. What do you think?
I was gonna say like 7 out of 10.
Mm.
It's good. I think, I don't know what's a little different about it.
I know what to do, so I'll make it better actually. No, it's still edible. Not bad.
And I think the spicy tuna isn't quite as spicy as it was in America.
Because I have to eat mine. This time I made it less spicy so I can eat mine. I'm sorry. I'll make it spicy next time.
That's okay. You can make it however you want. I'm just happy you made me sushi.
Sleepy. Okay, I'll feed you soon. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, you're awake? So you're awake. Even if I were a cat, I would never sleep there. I'll definitely fall. Well, good night.